myself, Dr. Abhishek Chopra. I'm a chief physiotherapist at CnC Physiotherapy and Spine Clinic. An experience of more than 25 years, treated more than 20,000 patients in my medical career. And I have a specialization in treating back and spinal pains. Spine pain, whether it is due to disc-related problems, your posture-related problems, or chronic back pains. In CnC Physiotherapy, we use advanced technology to treat spinal pains like dry needling, RF laser therapy techniques, dry cupping techniques. Along with that, we use mobilization and manual therapies, manipulations, joint manipulations to treat our patients. So, if you are suffering from back pain, we are here to help you out and to make you pain-free and to regain your strength. Important thing is you should come early, because early intervention of physiotherapy in lower back pains or spinal related problems will reduce the complications and reduce the time of regaining the strength and pain and regaining the pain-free positions. So I welcome you all in CnC Physiotherapy. Please come and take the advantage of this advanced technology in your city.